What's going on, guys? We're back with more free code camp. Today we're going to do learn CSS variables by building a city skyline, and we're starting on step 54. If you watched the last episode, one comma got us caught up. Hopefully that doesn't happen again. We've been having a couple issues, but we're learning together here. Create and add the following properties to B2A. So, example code, after you add these, you can see how a thick border on an element gives you some angles. Okay, so let's go ahead and do dot bb2a. All right, and then we're going to do margin auto width 5 vw, border top 1 vw, solid border bottom. If you guys are watching this little green one with the light green, that's what's changing here. Alright. Oh wait, what? bb2a, a height. Oh, I missed one. Height. There we go. Border right. Oh. There we go. Okay. On to step 55. Next, remove the width and height. And change the border left and border right to use 5 instead of 1. The element will now have 0 size and the borders will come together in the middle. So first we're going to remove this. And it makes it smaller. And then we're going to change the left from 1 to 5. And you can see how that cuts in very much more sharply. That wasn't a very good sentence. Alright, on step 56. Change the two of these to transparent. This will make the left and right borders invisible. So solid transparent. All right. Remove the margin and border top to turn it into a triangle. Finally, on the border bottom property, change the 1 to 5 VH. And change this to var -- building color 2. Alright. There you go. Now it looks good. At any time throughout this project, you can comment out or remove the border property you added to everything at the beginning to see what the buildings will look like when that gets removed at the end. Alright. On to the next building. Create a new variable called window color 3. And we're going to give it a D98CB3. Okay. So far, all the gradients you created have gone from top to bottom. That's the default direction. You can specify another direction by adding it before your colors like this. So fill in BB3 with a repeating. So we're going to do background. We're going to see if we can do this right this time. Repeating linear gradient. Right, and then we're gonna go 90 degrees, and then we're gonna do building color 3 for the first two colors. Oh wait. Alright, when you don't specify a distance per color, we'll use the values that make sense. In this case, the first two colors will default to 0 and 7.5 because it starts at 0 and 7.5. Something's not right here. Repeating linear gradient. That's not right. Did I spell it incorrectly? Repeating linear gradient. Ah, I know. Okay, var building color 3. I'm still not seeing the gradient, so something's not right. Var. Oh. There we go. Okay. Alright. Devil's in the details, guys. Alright, remove the background color property because we don't need it. Alright, the next building will have 3 sections and has 3 div elements in BB4. I said div element. It's not a div element. I mean, it is a div element, but I don't need to say div element. Class equals BB4A. And 3, we're going to have B, C. Okay. Give the new div elements these width and height values. Alright, so dot BB4A width 3%, height 10%. You know what? Let me make this simpler, kind of, and just copy this, paste, paste. This is going to be B, and it's going to be changed to 80 and 5. This is going to be C, and this is going to be changed from 100 and 85. Okay. Remove the background color from BB4. Add it to the 3 new sections. Copy 1, 2, 3. Remove. Alright. So you want the BB4 to share the properties of BB1 that center the sections. Instead of duplicating that code, create a new class above the background buildings comment called building wrap. Leave it empty for now. This class will be used in the next few places to save you some coding. Alright, move the display flex and align items properties from BB-1. So display flex direction align items to here. Okay. Add the new building wrap class to BB1. So we're going to do building wrap. To, wait a minute, BB1 and BB4. Okay. Create a new variable called window color 4. And we're going to do 8CB3D9. Okay. Nest 4 new div elements inside of BB4C. We're going to copy all of this. And we need 4, right? 4. Okay. And now we are going to give the BB4 window a width of 18%, height of 90%, background color var -- window color 4. Okay, you can see it changes this little one there. Alright. The windows are stacked on top of each other at the left of the section. Behind the purple building, add a new class, building wrap. Oh no. Below building wrap, name window wrap. Make dot window wrap a flexbox container. Align items. Flex end. I don't know if that's right. Justify content. Okay. Use the align items to justify content properties to center its child elements vertically and evenly space them. So space evenly. I think this one is wrong. Yeah. Centered. Okay. Now we're going to add the window wrap class to BB4C. Oh, look at those windows. Starting to have some dimension to it. Looks good. On the foreground, onto the foreground buildings. Turn the FB1 into 3 sections. So we're going to do div class FB1A. Copy this, and it said 3 sections, and this is going to be B. Oh, wait. FB1A. B and C. Awesome. Okay. Give FB1B width So while I appreciate free code camp for this, I can follow instructions pretty well. I'm not going to say great because I've been messed up a little bit here, but I can follow these instructions, but I don't know how I would go back and recreate this. Like, I don't feel like I necessarily know how they decided with these percentages and stuff, so it's great to see this happen, but hopefully it goes back and shows us how to figure out more in depth, I guess. Add building wrap to FB1. Okay, so building wrap. Alright. Move the background color from FB1 to FB1B. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the episode here. So we're going to start on episode 77. But I do want to thank you guys for hanging out. Let me know in the comments if you guys are understanding what like how they determine these percentages, and if I'm just missing something, or if you also just feel like you're just kind of following instructions. But anyways, thanks for hanging out. See you guys on the next one. Goodbye.